Donovan on the Rhino, clearing. I'm gonna get the skid steer fired up here and we'll get it moving. Hopefully get a little bit of high-speed footage for you guys. Anyway, stay tuned. Hey, we're getting back at it. Snow's still falling. It's getting pretty chilly out here. Got the chains on the skid steer. It's kind of cool. They're conveyor belt chains, rubber chains. They don't scratch up this concrete. Donovan's making a quick repair of that thing. We had a short and plow line broke, so we're fixing that guy. Anyway, stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Dan with Arizona Earthcrafters. We're just picking up the machines after the storm we had. Did some plowing over here in the subdivision up in Prescott. You can see it is very steep, or maybe you can't see. And it's all concrete, which makes it kind of slick, especially for the skid steer. However, this machine has a lot of power, and with these rubber tire chains, which I think I got from rubbertirechains.com, got quite a bit of traction. Still slipped a little bit, especially on the steeper curves, but overall did really well. This plow and Titan attachments. This first time on a job here was amazing. Did a great job. Moved a lot of snow. It's hydraulic, so the angling on it is super easy. This is the model number here. Overall, it was a good storm. Over here we got about 9 inches in some places. With the drifts, it can get kind of crazy, but nothing too serious. We did a bunch of driveways. We got to do a little cleanup in the front entrance to try to avoid some ice. But yeah, that's all we got. Bye-bye.